Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. Please sit down and do not make noise. I'm Ipsa. We are doing some numericals on whole concept. Yes, they are not the easiest ones. We have done 2 videos on numericals, so the easy ones have gone away. Now we are doing slightly complicated ones. Okay? Get ready. नहीं डरने की कोई बात नहीं. Do you remember what the formulas were? N is equal to m by m. Okay, let's write x is equal n. Number of moles is equal to m by m. Number of moles was also equal to V by 22.4, and number of moles was also equal to, there was one more thing which I can't recollect. Anyways, doesn't matter, I'll just be able to recollect. Okay. Oh yeah, number of particles and n0, right? If you can recollect. Now let's do the question. A CO2 sample, that's it. We should read chota part, and whatever we know of it, we should write it. A CO2 sample. So let's find the molecular mass first. That's the mostly required. Mostly it is required. So it's 12 for carbon plus 16 into 2 for oxygen. 16 into 2. So that becomes 44 units, or if it is molar mass, then it is okay. Then if it gets split, what will happen? It will give you 1 carbon and it will give you 1 oxygen molecule. Are we talking about oxygen atoms or oxygen molecules? Mostly we're talking about oxygen molecules. So if it splits into carbon and oxygen molecule, they are both 1 and 1. But okay, atoms ka we'll do late. Okay, so it's carbon, and if it further splits, then it will have 1 carbon and 2 oxygen atoms. Understand, this is 1 oxygen molecule and these are 2 oxygen atoms. Now this is what we can do up to now after reading carbon dioxide. Okay, so a carbon dioxide sample has 3 moles of carbon. 3 moles of carbon. Okay, तो जब हमने ये किया, any of these, 1 mole of whole of this is giving us how many moles of carbon? In each case, it is giving one molecule of CO2 is giving 1 atom of carbon and 1 atom of carbon in either ways. दोनों तरह से एक molecule is giving 1 carbon and the other way से भी it is giving 1 carbon. So we say कि what was given? Moles of CO2. Moles of CO2. Now it is given that carbon is 3 moles. Correct? Carbon atoms are 3 moles. अगर यहाँ 1 है तो यहाँ पे भी 1 कार्बन है. अगर यहाँ 2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है तो यहाँ पे भी 2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है. That means what? अगर ये 3 मोल्स होगा तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कितनी होने वाली है? That is also going to be 3 moles. क्योंकि कार्बन के मोल्स और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के मोल्स दोनों का प्रीफिक्स 1 है, तो दोनों के मोल्स बराबर होने वाले हैं. सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव डन दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स बिकम्स 3. एक चीज़ तो निपटी. चलो, मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ओके, दैट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. लेट्स फाइंड हियर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. एक में तो निकाल लें पहले. वैसे कितना होता है 16 and 32. It's 32 units or grams if we are finding the molar mass. एक ऑक्सीजन molecule, or let's find molar mass. Molar mass is 32 grams. Do you remember what it meant? कि अगर हमारे पास एक पैकेट हो, एक मोल हो, तो उसका मास कितना हो जाता है? उसका मास हो जाता है इसके मास के बराबर, which is 32 grams. Right? If you have one packet, 1 mole, then the mass of oxygen will become 32. Okay. Now, how many moles do we have? We have, okay, or we get 3 moles. So let's use the formula. What is small m? How much actually we have? How much oxygen we actually have? Number of moles and the molar mass. Okay, so let's put the values. Number of moles is 3. Total mass is what we have to find. Find the mass of oxygen. And molar mass, या mass of oxygen, 16 plus 16, 32 we have calculated. So how much oxygen is there in the given sample? We just calculated 96 grams. So this becomes the answer for how much oxygen gas is present. 3 moles of carbon were present, 3 moles of carbon dioxide were present, and can you tell, though they have not asked, can you tell me how many moles of oxygen are there? Oxygen molecule. That's also 1, because सबके prefixes 111 है. So if we talk about oxygen molecule, it will also have 3 moles. All of them have 3 moles. Let's read the next part. Mass of oxygen atoms. Is this atoms? Yeah, funny way of writing atoms. Mass of oxygen atoms. Now, we had done it earlier that mass in a given sample will not change. Whether you break things or you join things, mass will never change, because ना कुछ हम ले रहे हैं ना कुछ हम दे रहे हैं. तो अगर O2 का मास 96 है, तो O plus O का मास भी 96 होने वाला. It will not change in the given sample. O2 is breaking into O plus O. So if this is 96, this and this total will also be 96. Mass will not change. So can we say that mass of oxygen atoms, this is not 0, and if you get a 0, then I can't do much. So pay attention and not get a 0. Mass of oxygen atoms will also be 96 grams. Same as oxygen molecule. The mass will not change. The volume can change, the number of particles can change, all that can change, but not mass. Okay, next part is mass of oxygen. Oh, it was moles of oxygen. What did we calculate? Mass of, now we can calculate the B part. Moles of, now this is the B part and this was the D part. Moles of oxygen gas. Yeah, moles of oxygen gas. So this is already we done it. समझा तो मैंने आपको पहले ही दिया. ये 1 मोल है. अगर कार्बन 1 मोल है तो ये भी 1 मोल होगा, ये भी 1 मोल होगा ऑक्सीजन. वाई? क्योंकि सारे प्रीफिक्सेस सेम है. इसका भी 1 1 1. तो एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज प्रोड्यूसिंग 1 ऑक्सीजन. कैन यू सी? 1 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज प्रोड्यूसिंग 1 ऑक्सीजन, राइट? तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के या एक कार्बन के प्रोड्यूस होता है तो एक ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस होता है, राइट? इफ वन कार्बन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड तो वन ऑक्सीजन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. अब कार्बन कितने हैं? कार्बन आर 3 मोल्स. तो ऑक्सीजन कितने हो जाएंगे? ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स दे विल ऑल्सो बी 3 मोल्स. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बराबर हैं इन नंबर. 1:1, 10 होंगे तो 10, वॉट एवर नंबर इट इज, इट विल रिमेन द सेम एज कार्बन और सेम एज carbon dioxide. The values will remain same. If I rubbed earlier, you can probably pause the previous part and look at it. I have to rub a little early because it's a small board. Stay, don't fall on me. It's a small board and there's not much space. Okay, let's read the next question. I hope it is clear. Okay, I assume you all said yeah. There are 18.06 atoms of hydrogen in a sample of H2SO4. Okay, so H2SO4 has a H2SO4. H2SO4 के बारे में तो पता कर लेते हैं पहले. All right. If you calculate for H2SO4, what will be its molar mass? 1 and 1 for hydrogen, 32 for sulfur, and 16 into 4 for oxygen. 1 plus 1 plus 32 plus 64. So that comes out to be molar mass of H2SO4 comes out to be means if you have 1 mole or 1 packet, it will weigh 96 grams. Or is it 96 or 98? I think it's 98. It's 98 grams. If you add it properly, it will be 98 grams. Okay. Now, what are we interested in? Most of the things we are interested in hydrogen. Okay. So, hydrogen, just see what is hydrogen. If there is one H2SO4 molecule, there are, if you're talking about hydrogen molecule, तो एक के साथ एक molecule है, then one hydrogen molecule है. If you're talking about hydrogen atoms, तो एक molecule के साथ 2 hydrogen atoms हैं. Or you can write it like this for more clarity. So whenever we have to deal with molecules, it will be 1 molecule is to 1 molecule of hydrogen. But if you want to deal with atoms, then 1 molecule of sulfuric acid will give us 2 molecules of hydrogen atom. Okay. Now what is given is something of hydrogen atoms. अभी क्या गिवन है? मोल्स गिवन है, वॉल्यूम गिवन है? नहीं. इट इज गिवन कि हमारे पास जितना सामान है उसमें नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स कितने नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स है, नॉट मोल्स. सो दे हैव गिवन अस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स इज गिवन अस 18.06 into 10 raised to power 25. ये given है हमें. Fine, we have written till here. Now we have to find the mass of hydrogen atoms. Now I had told you earlier also कि कुछ करो नहीं करो, कुछ भी पूछा उन्होंने, सबसे पहले number of moles निकाल लेने चाहिए. सबसे पहले, it becomes very simple. So let's find the number of moles of hydrogen atom. Okay, now which formula will we use? N is equal to N upon N0. Now particles का तो यही formula है ना, number of particles का. Okay, so we'll find the number of moles which is equal to the sample में कितने particles हैं. Please handle the powers carefully. I don't want you to go wrong with the powers. Power of 10. Fine. When you practice, you will come to know this is always 3 times. और आपको 2-3 याद हो जाएंगे. 2 times क्या होता है, 3 times क्या होता है, half क्या होता है. You will be able to just learn it on your own without any effort. So I know that this is 3 times. Otherwise also you can calculate. And here you will be left with 10 raised to power 2. 25 minus 23, 100. So this gives us that the number of moles is 300. This calculation you please do on your own quickly. Not quickly, आराम से. The number of moles in this sample. ये कहाँ के moles हैं? In this sample, अगर हम hydrogen atoms लें, तो उनके moles means if you have packets up to 300 packets, then all of them contain hydrogen atoms, not hydrogen molecules. हमने hydrogen molecule के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, hydrogen atoms के बारे में लिखा है. So we have 300 packets of hydrogen atoms. 300 moles of hydrogen packet. Now that's what we had calculated. First they had told us to find the moles of hydrogen atoms. So we found the first answer is 300. Okay. Next they've told us to find the volume of hydrogen atoms. They're still doing the hydrogen atom. So there's no change required. Now volume पूछा है, we'll use the volume formula. This is the volume formula. Now here, we know 300. 300 है ना total moles. अभी हमने calculate किया. So now we can calculate the volume. Okay. So volume of this entire sample, which has 18.06 molecules and which has 300 moles, it will come out to be 300 into 67.4 and 6720 liters. Just check this calculation again. So of this sample which has 18.06 tests for 25 atoms of hydrogen, it will take a lot of volume, which is 6720 liters. The formula was this, the standard formula that we keep using for volume. Now you can see that. Now the next thing that they've asked is the, have I missed something? No, 3 things only. Mass of hydrogen atoms. Okay, that's not difficult at all. We have the third formula, N. इसीलिए मैं बोल रही थी कि N सबसे पहले निकाल लिया करो, क्योंकि देखो तीनों में N यूज़ हो रहा है, तो N बहुत यूज़ होता है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स बहुत यूज़ होता है. तो उन्होंने पूछा हो कि नहीं पूछा, आप नंबर ऑफ मोल्स स्मॉल n तो निकाल ही लो. So this is mass and this is molar mass. ठीक है, किसका है ये? हाइड्रोजन का. ठीक, हाइड्रोजन एटम का ये फॉर्मूला लगाना है हमें. किस पे फॉर्मूला लगाना है? हाइड्रोजन एटम पे या हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल पे, जिसके बारे में अभी हमने सब कुछ कैलकुलेट किया, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन एटम. तो हम ये जो वैल्यूज़ लिखेंगे ना, ये भी हाइड्रोजन एटम की ही लिखेंगे, किसी ऐसे में हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल की नहीं लिखेंगे. हाइड्रोजन एटम के देखो कितने मोल्स हैं? 300. और मास तो हमें निकालना ही है कि कितना है हाइड्रोजन का मास. और मोलर मास हाइड्रोजन का, मोलर मास मीन्स अगर एक पैकेट हो और उसमें 6.02 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स हों तो उसका वेट कितना होगा? 1 ग्राम, जितना उसका मॉलिक्यूलर सेम विल बी इट्स। तो हाइड्रोजन एक एटम का इट इज 1 ग्राम। सो दिस टेल्स अस दैट द मास ऑफ hydrogen atoms which is present in the sample, which has 300 moles, which has 18.06 into 10 to the 25 hydrogen atoms and something else, 6720 liters, is 300 grams. So I think we've solved all the parts, all the 3 parts, and that's about it. Thank you.
Save